Garlic Elixir was conceived in early 1998 when a friend of founder Ling Si called to let him know about a talk given at the Marine Aquarium Conference in Chicago, Illinois. Kelly Jedlicki, known to many in the hobby as the Puffer Queen because of her love of puffer fishes, had successfully used garlic to help fight ick in her puffers. It took Ling over a year to develop a marketable fish food supplement known as Ecosystem Garlic Elixir. Garlic Elixir is not a paste, nor does it have a watery consistency. It is very concentrated. 16 ounces of fresh garlic yield only 3 ounces of concentrated garlic base. To this, about 1 ounce of multivitamins and minerals are added, making about 4 ounces of garlic elixir. This makes garlic elixir much thicker than other garlic products on the market. Garlic elixir is not intended to be used as a medicine, nor as a replacement for a medication. To keep fish healthy in an aquarium, 2 things must happen. 1. The aquarist must provide the proper environment for the specific fishes he or she intends to keep. And 2. The aquarist must provide a balanced diet for these animals. Let's think for a moment. No matter what variety of foods we eat, most nutritionists will tell us to supplement our diet with extra vitamins and minerals to stay healthy. The point is to keep our immune systems in excellent condition so as to avoid catching common illnesses like the cold or flu, which can result from undue stresses on a compromised immune system. What we learn from ourselves can be transferred to our pet fish. The common cold is similar to marine ick, which is so common in pet fish and can lead to serious illness or death if appropriate treatment is not administered.